The present-day market offers a great variety of options when it comes to the types of investments. The profits that each one among them offers are also vastly different from each other, which makes everything much more profitable. What do you think will be the fate of a coin that provides much more flexibility, a lower fee, and a higher use case than that of other coins in the market? We think that we may be able to see a lot more progress than what we've been noticing in the past. Welcome back to How to Crypto. This is the place where you will get to learn a lot about what's happening in the world of cryptocurrency, and will be able to make the most out of what's happening in the current days. If you want to stay up to date with all the crypto news, you need to like and subscribe. Don't miss anything. Be aware of bulls and bears in the future. Also, allow us to remind you that this video was not formed to be financial advice. This video has been published to act as an educational or an entertainment video. Anything mentioned here must therefore be taken from the same viewpoint. The best person that could advise you other than yourself would be your financial advisor. We request all our viewers to ensure that they conduct their own due diligence before investing in any of the cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency markets are really volatile, and a lot of care is necessary when it comes to making an investment in any one of them. Having mentioned this, let us get started with the video we have for you today. The asset tokenization markets seem to be blooming heavily in the current dates. The potential growth available in the sector will certainly be one of the major things to look out for, as more and more platforms start providing this facility in them. This market is even expected to grow by over $1.4 trillion by the end of 2024. This will certainly be a huge milestone for this sector, and will also mean a lot of profits for those who invest in the same. Algorand is one such platform that will be able to disrupt the entire financial market, and will be able to change the system to a level that could be completely unimaginable. It has the potential to be one of the best digital businesses among the ones that exist today. As of now, most of the products that are a part of this business are digital in nature. As years pass by, we'll be able to see a lot of physical goods in the market as well. Physical goods also include assets like properties and real estate. These assets will be represented by the tokens on a blockchain that will help the community in buying and selling all they want digitally through their devices. This technology will be very crucial in ensuring that all assets are mobilized, and the owner does not get affected by the location of the person who is looking forward to investing in the same. It will help the users in forming new revenue streams and thereby diversifying their portfolios. The question that we have yet again is whether we'll be able to tokenize the assets, or something that has such a high value to something that does not really have any value. It will be a hard task for people who are into traditional businesses to start working and relying on this to make the profit that they expect to make. The process of issuing blockchain tokens for something that's real and is tradable in the open world sounds too unreal to be a possibility. It could actually be utility, equity of payment tokens that are issued to trade the assets. This will certainly make the market more liquid, and will help in making the same much more systematic and secure from any form of manipulation. This means that there needs to be a lot of flexibility as well, because each asset may have its own requirements and configuration. This is what makes Algorand a very good platform for the same. It is a very flexible and reliable platform that will be able to bring forth a lot of possibilities for this industry, and will also be able to ensure the smooth conduct of all transactions. The process that it uses is a pure proof-of-stake system that's very well recognized globally, and also has proven to be very efficient compared to the proof-of-work system that we have. The three major objectives are security, scalability, and decentralization. All make it easy for the coin to be able to work in the best possible manner. With the technology that Algorand has, the chances are high that they will be able to work in the manner that ensures all three of the above-mentioned characteristics. Algorand is also one of the first to have come into the field to make this possible, and to ensure that the system works in the best possible manner. The system that it uses is also called the Algorand Tokenizing Assets. It supports the formation of fungible, non-fungible, and security tokens on the system. Having such an elaborate system, there may be an assumption of the time that it may require to create a token on the system. Surprisingly enough, the price of creating a token on this platform does not take a long time as well. This is due to the considerably few steps associated with the same. The hardest parts are executed directly by the system, which saves time for those who would be using the system. One of the assets that has been tokenized is gold. Gold has been active throughout Algorand, which is being conducted by Meld Gold, an Australian firm. Their efforts to tokenize gold have been successful enough and have been able to change in entirety the manner in which gold is being sold throughout the world. It reduces manual work and brings forth a smarter way of trading. One other thing that it ensures is the credibility and the quality of gold being bought or sold. The best part about them is that all the different stages at which gold is produced, that is the refinery, dealer, and the vault, can be integrated into this channel. It increases flexibility and ensures transparency of the entire process. In simpler words, it brings together the producer and the consumer to make sure that the process continues in a very stable manner. The increase in transparency is one of the major features that it has. This is what will make this system much more reliable. The most recent update that we have is the Algo Mint. This will be the digital asset mining platform that will be built on the Algorand blockchain platform. There are high chances that we'll be able to see the project getting a kickoff start by the third quarter of 2021. There are high chances that we may be able to see an increase in the number of people who start using the same to bring forth a much more reliable system of work. Meld Gold has been on top of gold trading for a long time now. Algo Mint states that they will be providing all necessary bridges for digital assets, such as that of Ethereum and USDT stablecoin. These steps are also under development and will take some time before they actually come into play. It will be able to provide a necessary bridge for digital assets that will help it in making a good entry into the Algorand ecosystem. As this happens, we'll be able to see a lot of opportunities for them as well. Algo Mint will prove to be one of the most important tools in making sure that the bridging procedure of the digital assets through the DeFi becomes a fact. Speaking of DeFi, we've been noticing a major increase in the manner in which this system's been used. An increase of around 7,500% was noticed in over a year from 2020. Such massive growth and acceptance by the community is certainly worth noting and is promising to what may happen in the future. Holding transparency as the major benefit that they provide, they will be able to make sure to bring forth a lot of advantages over a period of time. Algorand already serves over 500 decentralized applications. It's also one of the most used platforms in a day, with over 500,000 daily transactions. These numbers prove the reliability that they've been offering, and also prove the manner in which they've been working over a period of time. One other major update is that we'll be able to see their native governance token being released in the third quarter of 2021. The name of this token will be GOMNT. It's also expected to launch a stablecoin named GoUSD, which will also be a very important addition to all that they've already achieved. Algorand will certainly have a very good future. With the technology being introduced into the system, we'll be able to see a lot more updates and features, making it much better than it already is. So, there you have it, and with that we've come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know in the comments how much your crypto will be worth next year. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you tomorrow at How To Crypto with more crypto updates.